In today's video, I'm going to show you some conditional formatting that you can do right here in Google Sheets as a teacher. So let's say you're a teacher using Google Sheets to calculate the grades of your students or to simply keep a record of their grades. Here's a great conditional formatting that you can definitely use to either highlight the lowest grades from your class, the highest grades, or even the perfect scores from your students. Let's get started. So I have this example data set right here. We have the student ID, the student name, and their scores from the quizzes that they've had from the school year 2025 to 2026. So if I wanted to quickly know which of my students have had the lowest grades from, let's say, 75 and lower, I want them to be highlighted in green. So I can do that by simply selecting that range right here. So I'm only selecting the numbers because these are the only ones that I want highlighted. And to start my conditional formatting, after I've selected that range, I'm going to go to Format here in the menu bar, then select Conditional Formatting. Click on that, and here we have it. So our conditional format rules are on the right side, and at the moment, everything is highlighted because the format rule is if it's not empty, then it should be highlighted into this color right here. But we're going to change the rule. This time, we wanted to highlight only the scores or the grades that are equal to or less than 75. So I'm going to select that rule. Let's see this one right here. Less than or equal to, and the value would be 75. And there you have it. Quickly, it highlights all the scores that are below 75 or are equal to 75. There you have it. Now, if you want to change the color, you can always select this one right here. The fill color is at the moment this shade of green. If we wanted to change that into a light red, there you have it. So it's light red because these are scores or grades that are in danger of failing. And I'm going to click on Done on the right side. And that is our first conditional format. So this is pretty cool because you're able to tell right away which of these students actually have these types of scores. And you'll be able to quickly advise them to study harder for the next year or that they've had this type of scores for the entire school year. Now we can move on to another conditional format that we can apply to the same data. So again, I'm going to select that same range. There we go. Once you've selected that range, the rule that has been applied to that range will appear on the right side. So if we add another rule right here, again, the same thing. If it's not empty, it will be highlighted into this color. But this time, we want to highlight the scores or the grades that are greater than or equal to 95. So it's actually the opposite. We want to see the ones that are actually doing good in class. So go to Format Rules again. This time we're going to go to greater than or equal to. Put in the value of 95 or the score of 95. Click on Done. And there we have it. Now everything that are highlighted in light green are the scores that are greater than or equal to 95. So these are the students that have been doing great during the school year. They've had scores of 95 or higher. And of course, if we wanted to change the color again, we can go back to that rule, change the fill color to, let's say, brighter green. There you have it. So it's definitely bright and eye-catching. But if you wanted to tone it down, let's say this one, there you go, click on Done, and there we have it. And finally, if I wanted to, let's say, highlight the perfect scores, the ones that got 100, I can again select the same range. There you have it. Add another rule on the right side. And this time I'm going to go to is not empty, which is your format rules again. Go to is equal to and 100. So right now we don't actually see it being highlighted. If I change this to yellow, a bright yellow, we still don't see it. If I click on Done, we still don't see it. Now, what's the problem here? The problem is the order of the format rules right here. Since some of these scores are 100, do belong to the second rule, But what about the perfect scores of 100 not being highlighted in yellow? So again, the order is this row is at the bottom. We can't see it because it's being covered by this rule right here. If we wanted to rearrange the rules and put this at the top, what I'm going to do is to go to the left side of that row. You'll see that my cursor changes into this one. I'm going to click on it and drag it up. And there you have it. If I wanted to drag it all the way to the top, I can do so. And there you have it. So now we are able to see the different type of conditional formatting that highlights the different scores in our data, depending on the format rule that has been applied to them. And there you have it. Those are the conditional formatting for educators and teachers out there that you can definitely use right here in Google Sheets. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.